We start the roof replacement by delivering the container drop-off and materials to your property. Our roofers will ensure everything has been sent correctly. We'll take the necessary actions to protect your home's plants and surrounding areas as best as possible. Once we do this, we move to the top of the house, tearing down the old shingles and damaged areas. We ensure your property and our team is safe during the entire process. We'll remove and replace any rotten decking affecting your roof. We'll give an extra layer of protection to vulnerable areas and proceed to cover the surface with synthetic underlayment to provide a waterproof barrier. To give a solid foundation to your roof, we install the starter shingles as an effective seal along the eaves and rake. Once this step is complete, shingle installation is made, leaving your roof ready for the next step. We know the importance of proper ventilation in a roofing system, so we give your roof room to breathe through the hip and ridge shingles. This will optimize airflow in your attic and balance out your home's temperature. The final step is to make a thorough magnetic sweep at the top and bottom of your property and pick up any debris that might have been left behind. Your sales rep will do a final walkthrough with you to show you the final result and ensure everything has been made to your satisfaction. Our goal is to leave your home protected with the installed roof and guarantee your happiness throughout the process.